So let's face it, YouTube is hard. Sure, you can kind of explode with a viral video if you're lucky, but for the most part, most content creators, it takes a long time to get your video seen and build your channel. Whether it's YouTube SEO or designing on the right thumbnail, YouTubers need to do quite a lot just to get hopefully more subscribers and views on their video. So this is why I'm creating this video, to help share some 5 AI tools that will help with the whole YouTube creation process. I am not sponsored by any of these tools. I simply want to help more people stay prepared by sharing them out. And if you'd like to share this video out to more people to help in that journey, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So number 1 is VidIQ. For any YouTube creator, you know that as much as thumbnails and content is important, it means nothing if you aren't analyzing your data effectively. This is where VidIQ comes in. It's a popular AI tool that a lot of content creators are using these days to better understand a whole range of data to optimize their videos. While YouTube SEO is not going to make or break your video entirely, it is definitely a useful thing to be aware of so you can increase the likeliness of your videos being discovered. The whole point of VidIQ is to help creators grow their channels with the right IQ. So they offer anything from AI coaching for YouTubers. It helps with YouTube title and description generators that can optimize your overall descriptions and titles for better reach. It also gives an analysis of your channel and the video analytics to provide more insight on performance. You can also do some keyword and tag generators to help with like the keyword research process. You can also do some competitive analysis to give you and understand how your competitors are doing. And it can actually provide a daily list of content ideas, which is a great feature that suggests different types of content based on trends and personal performance. The second tool on the list is Filmora. If you want to learn to make videos faster by working smarter, use Wondershare's Filmora. It's a great video editing tool that is equipped with a suite of AI features. You can upload on the cloud, which makes it easy to use anywhere, and it's trusted by the community, having received the G2 Crowd 2023 Summer Leader Award, as well as the Short Awards Best in Photo and Video and Get Apps Video Editing Leader. The tool is great for small medium businesses, freelancers, influencers, and content creators. They have a whole AI co-pilot editing feature which allows you to write text prompts that help add filters and effects with ease. And you can edit your video using AI text-based editing instead of spending so much effort on the timeline itself. And they also have an AI thumbnail creator which allows you to find the right place in your video and then create thumbnails that are actually engaging and get clicks. And while it might not be the best feature in their part, they also have an AI music generator which allows you to pick the mood of your video and then generate a list of music that you can apply to that video. The next item on the list is Pictory.ai. This is an AI tool that's designed for easy video creation. It offers a variety of features like converting scripts into blog posts into videos, creating video highlights, the ability to summarize long videos into shorter forms. The tool has received an average about 4.7 to 4.8 stars in multiple different review platforms from G2 and Capterra. It's also been used by well-known companies like Walmart, Capgemini, ByteDance, Kayak. It's also well known for its user-friendly interface, and it's very great for team collaboration. They have a whole script-to-video feature which allows you to convert scripts into professional videos using AI voices, footage, and music. And they even have a blog-to-video feature which gives you the ability to transform blog posts to engaging videos. And then they also have a create video highlights feature that helps to extract highlights from long-form videos for social media, an auto-caption video feature which adds caption to your videos easily, and an auto-summarize long videos feature which condenses longer videos into shorter, engaging formats. The next on the list is Repurpose.io. If you've created your video, you need to make sure you're repurposing it for different platforms. The tool is trusted by over 200,000 influencers catered for content creators, influencers, and digital marketers, and is extra handy because you can publish it from a single place instead of hopping into different platforms just to schedule and post your shorts. Like the name of the platform implies, you literally are repurposing content and sending them out all from a single platform. You can automate your whole entire content workflow by turning one post and distributing it across multiple platforms. It integrates with TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Zoom, Google Drive, so much more. And you can publish and schedule your posts directly from the platform itself. And then finally on the list is YouTube Summarized. Now, this tool is relatively simple and is not necessarily for building out videos, but it's great for getting ideas and information on other YouTube videos. So as the name implies, it's a tool that literally summarizes any video or podcast available on YouTube. If you aren't that great at writing your own descriptions, this is a super helpful tool for summarizing your videos. You can use these summarizations to put into your own description, and it gives the viewers a much more concise understanding of what your video is about. So there you have it, 5 simple AI tools for YouTube content creators. I hope this was quite helpful. If you do want more tools on video creation, make sure to check out the next video. And if you found any of the tools in this video quite helpful, give this a thumbs up, it helps the channel out. And leave a comment down below if you'd like more tools to be featured, or if you want me to dive deeper into a specific tool. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content on tips and tricks that help navigate this digital ocean of AI.